we going?
Home. Home ski.
What did you want to say, Mom? Tell
30
me.
minutes.
Look at you guys. And they're off with the usual talking about decor. And then here's a clip from the past where he's helping my mother remodel one of the bathrooms. Did you see those sandals? The relationship that my mother and husband have is exactly like the one from It's Complicated between Jane and Harley.
Yeah. We're done. We were just...
Oh, Jane, it's on my beeswax, so please don't tell.
What's up?
Nothing, Punky.
Yeah? So we're gonna see you tomorrow night for sure, right?
Absolutely.
What did you see? And what do you know?
Nothing. Really?
Harley!
Okay, you checked in, then you arrived, then you met at the elevator, possible kiss there, and then the doctor went up, and the doctor came down, then there was a thumbs up, but that's it. I have no idea what happened in between.
Have you told Lauren?
No, and I won't.
Hey, Mom. Dad's leaving.
Okay, I'm coming in.
Okay, what kind of... It's 17 minutes.
Yeah, 14.
Oh my god. What'd you do? What'd you do? What'd I do? What'd you do? Stick it. I'm gonna put that in whatever.
Can you say thank you? Thank you. Beso too.
She's gonna give you a
Say
kiss.
thank you.
That's my thank you.
Here I am looking like a clown going into my appointment.
Oh yeah, that too.
Boys, get to the left, left.